So what do you want to do? So you want to log in. So you can sign in with Google. So after signing in with Google with your name, so I would like to end this class by 4 p.m. hopefully, so as not to waste anybody's time. And after signing in with Google, right? So it works like Notebook LLM, right? You just have to like upload your data set, right? And make sure that as part of the ethical rule for using AI, you want to make sure that you are not uploading any personal information, right? So I'm just going to upload this Conga transaction data, right? And after doing that, so you can see, just like what you have here. So you can see the data set in real time, and you can chat with the data set. You can just tell it to create an interactive dashboard with this data set. So it's going to take a while. It is working already. So with just simple text, you are able to create an interactive dashboard with just a single line of text, right? um so you can view the image here, and you can view the artifacts here. So it is asking you to to download the image, right? And yes, you have this, right? You have this with just with ordinary um, text, right? You're able to build this, right? Have the total revenue to be 411,290,000, and total orders to be this, total customers to be this, average order value to be this, and you have the spill of the revenue, how much people are buying from Conga. You have it, right? You have it in a trend here. Also, you are also able to see the trend of the revenue by city, how much are being collected from Lagos, Abuja, Port Harcourt, Kano, Enugu, Ibadan, Kaduna, and so on and so forth. So you also have the revenue by category. You also have revenue by payment method, and so on and so forth. You also have these, which are like which do not matter anyways. You don't visualize your primary keys. I guess we could talk more on that later on. So this is just what you can get with your you know AI tool, with the use of an LLM, just simple text and voila, you have this. And so we are going to be looking at how to. So there are also many other things we can do inside the you know the Julius AI interface, right? You can also I'm trying to share the screen. So you can also say, give me revenue, visualize. You can also tell it to visualize the revenue by by hour of the day, by hour of the day. So we want to see how that is going to be, because obviously to get hour of the day you have to transform the date column, which originally contains both the date and the time. You have to be able to split that if you were to be doing it manually, right? You have to be able to split the date from the time. Then the time you have to convert it to hour, 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock, 13 o'clock, 14 o'clock, and all of that. So, and after converting into hour, then you can now, visualize, right? But let's see what, Julius AI is going to give. So, you can see what Julius AI gave us here. That is, the peak sales period is around, 8 o'clock in the morning, and the trough is 4 p.m. in the afternoon, right? And so on and so forth. So this is what you get when you use an AI tool, right? This is what you get when you use an AI tool. So, but in Power BI, the case is different, right? You want to be able to, like this now, you want to customize this guy to be red now, or you want the background to be formatted in some way that you would have preferred. That is going to take some, you know, endless bounds or series of prompts. But in Power BI, that can be done with few clicks. So they both have their, their pros and cons. But of course, if you are working with an organization, let's say a multinational national, for an instance, they would most likely prefer you use Power BI, right? Because of safety concerns and privacy issues, right? And yeah, I just want to quickly show you how Power BI moves. So I'm trying to open my Power BI now. And so I might be moving rather fast this time. So so let me get the data again and do that again. Um, just just trying to. So this is the dashboard we initially created. Okay, this is what I wanted to. So this is the dashboard we initially created, right? Using just using just queries. So we want to see how we can recreate the same thing using Power BI, and I'm going to be doing that soon. So I'm trying to split the data, split the date and time like we did earlier. So split column by delimiter, rightmost shape. So yes. So my Power BI is coming up. Just a second or two. So so this is the Power BI site.